Hi everybody, this is Shop Your Stash collaboration with Leslie Bromfield and Kim, and this week I have decided that I was going to do flowers, shabby chic flowers. So there's an overview of them. There we go. And what you do is, I like to have mine separated into bags. So I've got some there ready to be dyed. I've done these with a green acrylic wash, an orange acrylic wash, a pink acrylic wash, and a purple acrylic wash. So I'll show you what I do. These are some that I've got spare that I've already done, but these have had an overlay of brown distress ink on. Some butterflies and some dragonflies that I've done as well. So if I just quickly show you how I do these. And I'll do the orange. You probably, with it being the school holidays, are going to hear my daughter coming in, or my son shouting down the stairs. And my husband's off work today, it's his days off, so he might shout through as well. So I apologise in advance if that happens. Right, so I pop my flower down and I get the biggest, which is this end, I get the biggest ball of my embossing tool and I just rub over the petals like that. So it just roughs the fibres up in the paper. There we go, and the paper looks crinkled. I'll get the other layer and I'll just do the same with that. You can press quite hard on this. This is actually just normal copy paper, but because you've used an acrylic wash on it, it makes the paper quite tough because acrylic, you put plastic on it in effect, so it can stand a bit of battering from the embossing tool. Make sure that you always put a piece of foam down as well, else it won't emboss properly, so you always want a spongy foam, just a piece of scrap foam. And I'm just going to put a bit of glue. Pop that one down. Same with the other piece. Oop. And pop that down. There we go. The distressed flower. I'm just going to pop something in the middle. We did orange. Sorry about the crinkly. I'm going to go for this orange and stick that down. And there's our flower finished. Really easy, and I think these look nice when they're distressed. Another way to do them is like the prima flowers. Just let me go and get my other tool for that. Right. So I've got this one to do this with. And all that you do is, sorry, I'm doing it through the camera, so as you go round the outside of the petals and put a line through the middle. It's a bit sharp, that is. I'm going to have to use the smaller end of this one because that's a bit sharp. It's going to tear the paper.
What you doing?
Hello, Elizabeth.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm just doing some flowers.
Mummy, can I say something?
Yeah.
Mum,
Yes.
why does Mum have everything? My mum does have 2 things, but has a lot now. So that's the second.
So that makes it look a bit like prima flowers.
Yep.
Yep.
It's gems, it says.
With gems. Yeah, we'll put gems on.
Debbie, Mum, I'm not going to say.
Are you going to sit there? Yeah. I'll just use this one of these again.
Can't afford it.
You can't get what, love?
I can't afford it, I'm behind.
Are you behind me? Just going to go around the edges of the leaves again. Oh, Elizabeth's saying hi. Go back to school next Wednesday.
Mummy!
And parents got a bit of peace again.
Mummy, look.
Yep.
There's a spider.
Ooh, it's only little. There we go. So that sort of, if the camera's picking it up, gives it the effect of the primas because you've just scored it. Yeah, of course you can. Just let me do another one.
This is how I can do the flower bed.
So just go around the outside.
I'm going to put a pink gem on.
You're going to put pink gem on?
Yeah. But
Pink on orange?
pink.
Why not?
Because I want a pink. I don't pale that one. Pardon me.
Yeah, you just put
Pardon
it.
me again.
Oh dear. Got the burpees. Got a bit of wind.
Yeah, sorry, my knee's hurting
Right.
then.
Where's the gem?
I want pink.
You want pink. Oh, look, I've got a pink pearl one that I've coloured in. There you go.
Whoa.
You going to pop that on?
Yeah. Here.
Good girl, thank you. Oh, Mummy just popped it off. There we go. So that's that done
So
again.
we got 2.
Oh, we've got 2 flowers. So that just makes it look a bit like the prima flowers.
Yes.
If you do it that way. And the other way is just rough embossing to make them look a bit shabby.
Yeah, can I
Right,
that
so
one?
that's my... Which one do you want? Yeah, you can have that one. So that's my idea for this week.
Can I show this one too?
What have you got on your face?
Face paint.
So great.
So
Never
this
mind.
is on.
There you go. It'll come off in the bath, won't it, that face paint?
So now, and that is what you have the primacy.
Okay. Are you going to say bye-bye now?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody, and thanks whoever's watched. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, Sue. I love you for watching my mum's video.
Thank you. Goodbye.